Hey, Alex. Good morning. Today, we're going to talk about your morning. But here's the thing. Do you know that talking about your daily life in English is one of the fastest ways to speak confidently?
Really? Just talking about my morning? That sounds easy, but I'm not sure I can do it correctly.
Don't worry. That's exactly why we're here. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to describe your morning in English naturally, like a native speaker. And here's a little challenge for you. Try to answer my questions without translating in your head. Can you do that?
I'll try. I really want to speak more fluently.
Perfect. That's the spirit. And guess what? I'm going to show you some simple sentences that you can use every day. Even if you wake up late or have a busy morning, you'll know exactly what to say. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll be able to talk about your morning clearly and confidently and impress anyone you meet.
Wow, I'm ready. Let's do this.
Great. Let's start with the very first part, waking up. In English, we can say, I wake up at 7 o'clock. Try repeating that after me.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Excellent. Now let's learn how to talk about the next part of your morning, what you do right after waking up.
I brush my teeth.
Perfect. That's exactly right. Let's say it in full. I brush my teeth in the morning. Can you repeat?
I brush my teeth in the morning.
Excellent. And if you want to say it in a question, you can ask, do you brush your teeth in the morning?
Do you brush your teeth in the morning?
Very good. This is a simple way to start talking about your routine. Now, what about breakfast? Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, sometimes. I eat bread and eggs.
Perfect. Let's make it a full sentence. I eat bread and eggs for breakfast. Try it.
I eat bread and eggs for breakfast.
Excellent, Alex. And here's a tip. You can also talk about drinks. For example, I drink coffee in the morning or I drink tea.
I drink coffee in the morning.
Perfect. Now let's make it a little longer. You can combine your sentences. I wake up at 7 o'clock, I brush my teeth, and I eat bread and eggs for breakfast. I drink coffee too.
I wake up at 7 o'clock, I brush my teeth, and I eat bread and eggs for breakfast. I drink coffee too.
Wow, Alex, that's a full morning routine already. And viewers, here's a secret. Speaking in full sentences helps you sound more natural. Don't just say single words, connect them. Next up, let's talk about getting dressed. What do you wear in the morning?
I wear a t-shirt and pants.
Great. Let's make it a full sentence. I wear a t-shirt and pants in the morning.
I wear a t-shirt and pants in the morning.
Very good. And if it's cold, you can say, I wear a jacket.
I wear a jacket.
Excellent. Now, what about going outside? Do you go outside in the morning?
Sometimes I go outside to walk.
Perfect. Let's say, I go outside to walk in the morning. Try it.
I go outside to walk in the morning.
Nice. And you can also say, I take a walk every morning.
I take a walk every morning.
That's it. See how easy it is to talk about your morning? You just need to use simple verb and connect them with time words like in the morning, every day, or at 7 o'clock. Now, let's talk about personal care. After breakfast, what do you usually do?
I wash my face and comb my hair.
Perfect. Full sentences. I wash my face in the morning, I comb my hair.
I wash my face in the morning. I comb my hair.
Excellent. And viewers, notice that Alex is adding small details. This makes your sentences longer and more interesting. You can add what you use. I wash my face with cold water.
I wash my face with cold water.
Perfect. Little details make your English sound more natural. Okay, Alex, now let's move to leaving the house. What do you do before leaving?
I put on my shoes and take my bag.
Very good. Full sentences. I put on my shoes and take my bag before leaving the house.
I put on my shoes and take my bag before leaving the house.
Great. And if you want to ask someone, do you take your bag before leaving the house?
Do you take your bag before leaving the house?
Excellent. You see, Alex, asking questions is just as important as making statements. Now, let's practice talking about your journey. How do you go to school or work? I take the bus. Perfect. Full sentence. I take the bus to school in the morning.
I take the bus to school in the morning.
And if you walk, you can say, I walk to school.
I walk to school.
Great. And here's a tip. You can combine sentences for more variety. I take the bus or walk to school depending on the weather.
I take the bus or walk to school depending on the weather.
Excellent. This is how you start sounding more fluent, Alex. You're connecting ideas. Okay, let's move to activities at school or work. What do you do first?
I study English.
Perfect. Full sentence. I study English in the morning.
I study English in the morning.
And if you do more activities, I study English and do homework.
I study English and do homework.
Great. Notice that Alex is using and to connect ideas. This is very natural in English. Now, let's add a little emotion. How do you feel in the morning?
I feel happy.
Perfect. Full sentence. I feel happy in the morning because I have breakfast and drink coffee.
I feel happy in the morning because I have breakfast and drink coffee.
Excellent. And you can also say, I feel tired in the morning if I don't sleep well.
I feel tired in the morning if I don't sleep well.
Perfect, Alex. Adding feelings makes your English more natural and interesting. Okay, let's review everything we've learned today. Alex, can you tell me your full morning routine in English?
Yes, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I eat bread and eggs for breakfast. I drink coffee. I wash my face and comb my hair. I put on my shoes and take my bag before leaving the house. I take the bus to school. I study English and do homework. I feel happy in the morning.
Wow, Alex, that's perfect. Look at that. You just talked about your whole morning in English.
Really? I did it?
Yes. And viewers, this is exactly what you should do too. Start simple, connect your ideas, and don't forget to add feelings and small details. That's how you become confident in English. And remember, practice every day. Talk about your morning, your day, your evening, and soon you'll notice big improvement.
I will practice every day.
Thank you, Sarah. You're welcome, Alex. And viewers, don't forget, the more you speak, the better you get. Keep practicing, and soon talking about your daily life in English will be easy and fun.
Now that we talked about school, let's continue. What do you do after your first class?
I have a break.
Perfect. Let's make a sentence. I have a break after my first class. I have a break after my first class. Excellent. And during the break, what do you usually do? I drink water and talk with my friends. Very good. Full sentence. I drink water and talk with my friends during the break. I drink water and talk with my friends during the break. Perfect. And if you want to ask someone, do you drink water during the break?
Do you drink water during the break?
Excellent. Alex, see? Small questions help you practice conversation naturally. Next, let's talk about lessons. What lesson do you like the most?
I like English class.
Very good. Full sentence. I like English class because it is fun and interesting.
I like English class because it is fun and interesting.
Great. And if you don't like a lesson, you can say, I don't like math because it is difficult.
I don't like math because it is difficult.
Perfect. This way, you can express opinions about your day. Okay, Alex, now let's talk about lunchtime. What do you eat for lunch?
I eat rice and chicken.
Great. Full sentence. I eat rice and chicken for lunch.
I eat rice and chicken for lunch.
And if you drink something, you can add it. I drink juice with my lunch.
I drink juice with my lunch.
Excellent. You can also ask someone, what do you eat for lunch?
What do you eat for lunch?
Perfect. See, Alex? Asking questions is just as important as giving answers. After lunch, what do you usually do?
I go back to class.
Very good. Full sentence. After lunch, I go back to class.
After lunch, I go back to class.
And during class, what do you do?
I listen to the teacher and take notes.
Excellent. Full sentence. I listen to the teacher and take notes during class.
I listen to the teacher and take notes during class.
Perfect. And you can say, I sometimes ask questions if I don't understand.
I sometimes ask questions if I don't understand.
Exactly. This is a natural way to talk about your day. Adding sometimes, usually, always makes your sentences more realistic. Now let's talk about after school. What do you do when you come home?
I rest a little and do my homework.
Very good. Full sentence. I rest a little and then do my homework when I come home.
I rest a little and then do my homework when I come home.
Excellent. And if you want to talk about hobbies, I watch TV or play games after homework.
I watch TV or play games after homework.
Great. And don't forget, you can also talk about feelings. I feel happy after finishing my homework.
I feel happy after finishing my homework.
Perfect. See, Alex? Talking about daily activities and feelings makes your English much more natural. Okay, now let's talk about dinner. What do you eat for dinner?
I eat soup and bread.
Very good. Full sentence. I eat soup and bread for dinner in the evening.
I eat soup and bread for dinner in the evening.
Excellent. And if you drink something, you can add it. I drink water or tea. Perfect. And you can ask, what do you eat for dinner?
What do you eat for dinner?
Great. See, Alex? Asking and answering questions is a simple conversation trick that keeps viewers or friends interested. Now let's talk about evening activities. After dinner, what do you usually do?
I watch TV or read a book.
Perfect. Full sentence. After dinner, I watch TV or read a book. Excellent. And you can add, sometimes I listen to music. Sometimes I listen to music. Great. Adding sometimes shows how often you do something. Finally, let's talk about going to bed. What time do you sleep? I sleep at 10 o'clock. Very good. Full sentence. I go to bed at 10 o'clock every night. I go to bed at 10 o'clock every night. Excellent. And if you want to talk about your feelings, I feel tired but happy at the end of the day. I feel tired but happy at the end of the day. Perfect. Alex, now you can talk about your whole day, from waking up to sleeping. Let's review your full daily routine in English one more time. Are you ready?
Yes. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I eat bread and eggs for breakfast. I drink coffee. I wash my face and comb my hair. I put on my shoes and take my bag before leaving the house. I take the bus to school. I study English and do homework. I feel happy in the morning. I have a break and drink water. I talk with my friends. I like English class because it is fun. I eat rice and chicken for lunch and drink juice. I go back to class and listen to the teacher. I take notes and sometimes ask questions. After school, I rest and do homework. I watch TV or play games. I feel happy. I eat soup and bread for dinner and drink water. After dinner, I watch TV, read a book, or listen to music. I go to bed at 10 o'clock and feel tired but happy.
Wow, Alex, that's amazing. You just described your entire day in English.
Really? I did all that?
Yes. And viewers, this is exactly what you should do too. Start simple, add details, use feelings, and connect your sentences. You'll speak English naturally in no time.